I'm really excited and kicked in because I've taken a lot of efforts, and it's based on 90s, and it's based on a criminal, it's based on a gangster. So yeah, really looking forward for it. It's very different from what I've done before. No, television for now. I'm taking a break, and I don't want to get into something which will need a long commitment for me. But I want to do something which has shorter outcome, and let's see. I will be doing a film as well. So yeah, post web. You guys, I will keep you guys posted, and you guys will get to know. Short-lived, as in it's been 2 years. I don't know.
But for fans, it is short-lived.
If you guys were waiting कि मैं बच्चे पैदा करूँ and then उसके बाद मैं दादाजी बन जाऊँ, I know, I'm sorry, but yes, I guess I enjoyed the entire journey, and I guess you guys also enjoyed watching us together, the chemistry, and also the family drama and everything, and Kasauti being a huge show, humongous show. And I thank you once again, and also thank the makers for bringing me over here, and I thank you guys for liking Anurag. But yes, like I said, me or anyone for that matter, we being artists, we need to be experimental. We need to experiment with ourselves, and we need to do different characters so that you guys get entertained with different roles and shades. So yes, waiting for web, and I promise you that I'll cover it up whatever you guys have missed on. Well, 2021 will be, I think, like I said, now I'm turning a year more older, and I'm getting more mature. So I guess your thinking also outgrows you, and you become more sensible, more responsible. So all I wish is that I want to be happy, and somewhere down the line I want to be content and not running behind things or chasing behind things and getting stressed about it and being unhappy about it. I want to be grateful and thankful to all you guys, that you guys have always been there, and inspiration for me, motivation for me. And I just hope that yes, whatever we want, even if it's just spending time with kids or spending time with unknown people, and then spreading some love and happiness, if that is what gives me happiness, I will be glad. So yeah, that is what I want. Hi, my name is Par Samtan, and you're watching me on Glitz Vision USA.